Here's what you need to know about heart failure. You know, heart failure is not as same as heart attack. We are generally misled in believing that heart failure is same as heart attack. It is not so. Heart is working in the less capacity than it normally should. So what is heart failure? The heart fails to pump the blood forward or backward, which is causing the heart to not work efficiently. Why does the heart failure happen? The muscles around the heart have become stiff, which is not able to pump the blood forward, or the heart has become dilated, which is causing the blood to be stagnant in the heart and not able to pump forward. So it can cause the forward flow heart failure or a backward congestive heart failure. These are the two different types of heart failure that can happen. 2-3 main things. One is the high blood pressure. The blood pressure has shoot up too much. Your heart fails to accommodate to pump against that high blood pressure, and it causes the heart to fail. Second thing is a heart attack, and heart attack can cause the heart to fail. The walls of the heart may become weak, which is not allowing the heart to pump the blood forward. Third thing, anemia. Anemia in the sense low hemoglobin, which also overworks the muscles of the heart and causes the heart to fail. So these are the common causes of the heart failure. Now, how will you get to know that you have a heart failure? So 3 main things can happen when you have a heart failure. First is shortness of breath. Either when you are walking 10 steps and you feel shortness of breath, you feel breathless. When you are sitting, you feel shortness of breath. So also there may be swelling in your legs, and you feel tired all throughout the day. How do you diagnose heart failure? So you need to show a doctor who can diagnose something clinically, and if they have a clinical suspicion, they will advise you to undergo some tests like ECG, echocardiography, and some blood test. If all the 3 things or one of the 3 things shows that you have heart failure, then you need to be treated accordingly with some medications which are called diuretics, which will increase your urine output and the swelling from the body will go down. Second thing is some vasodilators, some blood pressure lowering medications, some things to help the heart pump efficiently, and you should be good to go. So heart failure is a serious condition, but it is easily manageable until and unless you know how to manage it, how to change your lifestyle to accommodate that heart failure in your life. Thank you for watching.